In this video, I'll share with you a comparison between AutoDs and Dsers dropshipping tool so that you can make a decision on which tool to focus on. I'll also leave a link in the description for these tools, both AutoDs and Dsers. So let's start with the similarities. So when it comes to integration, for Dsers you can integrate with AliExpress, Shopify, WooCommerce, and also Wix. And for AutoDs, you can also integrate with Shopify, Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, Wix, TikTok Shop. So another similarity with these two is that AI is incorporated within this tool to help you build a Shopify store using AI, and you'll be able to find winning products that you can transfer to your page or import to your page and start your dropshipping business. Let's now go to some major difference on these dropshipping tools. So for AutoDs, you are able to have access to worldwide suppliers, but for Dsers, most of the suppliers are from China. You are limited to AliExpress. So that is one of the major difference. So another difference is that for AutoDs, you not have direct access to the supplier. You first need to send an image or a product link to the team of AutoDs in order for them to find this product for you and import to their warehouse, where they can now send it directly to the customers after custom packaging and branding. But for Dsers, you are able to contact the suppliers directly. So that is one of the better thing about Dsers. You contact the suppliers directly. And also, when it comes to pricing, let's check out the pricing for both of these tools. So with pricing, Dsers offer a more cheaper option, especially if you buy it yearly. Start with a free plan. We have also the $15.9 a month when you buy it yearly, and you don't need a credit card in order to start for free. But for AutoDs, you need a credit card in order for you to even start for free for just $1. And you can see if you are buying it annually, the first or the cheapest option is $19, while monthly it will go to $26. You see, it's quite expensive, but when you come to the medium package, they are both the same. You see, so if you are focusing on worldwide suppliers, I'll recommend you go with AutoDs. But if you are just focusing on AliExpress, I'll recommend you go with Dsers, which is a better option because you can talk with the suppliers, customize your packaging, and also you can place hundreds of orders in a matter of seconds. Unlike this, which might take a while because you have to send the picture or the link of the product to the team, and the team in AutoDs reach out to the supplier, so you have no contact with the supplier. So for you to make a decision, you have to consider who are your suppliers and how you want to contact your suppliers, and all that matters when it comes to dropshipping. So if you found any value of this video and you want to get started with this tool, you can check out the link in description. Like and also subscribe for more ideas and tools reviews on dropshipping.